Look, it's from another video. And remember when I said when I got the Como GX. This time I don't have the sun in the way, so that's 240 damage. You guys can see that. So now I have some cards we are going to open. Right here. There you go, your dress. So now we're going to drowsy for now. No, God. Don't know what that is. Get rid of you. Okay, you don't know what that is. And we got sorry about the noise. I think you heard it, but it's not. It's running. Sorry, I can't speak up anymore. And I have a sword throat. So we have a gold. Is that what it's called? Oh, it's gold. Okay, so we have a reverse rare right here. I think that's what it's called, right? I don't really know. It's a Robo Substitute Team Player gear. And ready? Whoa! A Hyper Mewtwo GX. I got a Hyper Rare. You probably can't see the shine, but I can. Shiny. But just those are really pretty colors. I think it's fake, but I don't care. At least I got a Hyper. At least I got a Hyper. Rarity on this thing is 76 out of 77. Okay, guys. So let's see how big this one is. It says 104 to 145. 2 ultra rare GXs, Como O, and a hyper rare Mewtwo GX. Okay, guys. Oh, that's 2 times in a row getting a GX. Oh my god. No one likes it. Okay guys, now that was just the part of the card opening. But right now, I want to show you my Pokemon collection, not the ones that are in the cards, which I already made a video of. But this big thingy right here is full of cards, and you go. Right now, my mom is having to order all. So, like, if there was another Magikarp, she would put it right here. Sorry, she has a problem with, like, I don't know what it's called, I forgot. So we have all these right here. These are all my crappy cards. Okay. It's actually not a bad one. Yeah, I had no idea what kind of cards these are. But I had a second one. There's Malcario. I should put that on my sleeve since it's one of my favorite cards. Lucario is one of my favorite Pokemon. from just how powerful they are. But they're pretty weak about their what their weaknesses. Oh, here's all the trainer cars that my mom put in here. Now guys, I'm going to show you my Yu-Gi-Oh cards, if I can find them. There we go. Okay. So we have Slifer right here. Right here we have Azora, Alien, that one. I hope you saw that. If you didn't, well then I'm going to have to do another review on these. There you go. These are all my other ones. They're sucky ones. Oh god. No. Flip phone. Ah. And here's the rest. Sorry, I'm recording on a phone, as I don't have a camera. That takes videos. So I hope you guys have a good day, and if you don't, well then I'm sorry, I can't do nothing about it, because I'm not good at YouTube. But hope you guys have a good day. See you later, and bye.